Yo, what's up everyone? Just want to make a quick little video. I'm currently in this trade right now. It's going well. GBPUSD. I entered it earlier this morning at 9:30. I had tennis at 10, so I couldn't wait. I was just anticipating basically a rejection from this structure. The overall sort of sentiment is short-term sentiment is bearish, as you can see. So just expecting a little rejection from this area in combination with the EMA. It actually didn't touch it yet, but I felt like there's a big possibility that it will probably reject. The best entry would have probably been this doji here after sort of the double top created and then the doji. This would have definitely been the cleaner, more safe entry, but I entered early and it's still going well. Currently up $400. It's on a second phase account, so I need to get $500 in profit. We had some drawdown on the account, so yeah, we have our TP at 816, so we will pass the account if it hits. However, there is news coming in a few hours, so I might have to close this early because news has costed me way too many accounts already because they have a rule that if TP hits or stop loss hits during news events, then yeah, you basically don't get the account, you lose the account. Um, and that happened to me way too often. So yeah, I'm not really keen on that. Also, we passed the FT mode challenge, but I'll make another video on that. So stay tuned for that. It's a nice little trade or trades there as well. So yeah, this is just first part. I'm gonna add the second part to this video in a little bit as soon as we know what ends up happening. All right, thank you so far. All right, boys. Yeah, look at the graph. The sad thing is, if you look on the top here, there's nothing happening. And I closed my position just before this. And the reason for that is the news, what I told you. Most of the time, the news just, I don't know, it kind of fucks me. I think the spread would, like, it's not showing the spread. That's the thing. Like, it could have happened where I would have been stopped out like all the way up here with my stop loss because it was at like 300 pips above or something. Like I did lower it for now, but yeah, my stop loss was a little bit higher, um, 845 or something. And with this huge move, as you can see, there were like three news events at the same moment. I decided because Equity Edge is really tough with news. Um, Actually, it's good that I closed because if I didn't close, then it would have either um, put me like got me out due to the spread on my stop loss, or it would have hit my TP because my TP was like, yeah, as you can see, easily hit, right? 283. It would have passed the account, but I wouldn't have gotten the account because it's within the 2 minute range. Like I literally just asked here in the Discord, where is it? I asked, is this a speech or is this a news event where it's just for like, like 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after? And it's, yeah, for challenge and funded accounts, it's 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after the news is released. So I would have been like, this is a good call for me. It just sucks that it's a funded account, or not, this is not even a funded account yet, where I have to do this because obviously sort of the trade was good. However, I did enter with a personal account, small scale account, and I made $78 on it. It was at 175, so it's a nice like, I don't know, 30-40% on the account. It's at 254 now. I'm just trying to scale up a small account. Um, I could have actually gotten some more because it just keeps going, but overall super happy with that. Overall super happy with the trade. Sad thing is just that's what you need to what I've learned from this prop firm space, that you really I don't know, you have to play it smart. They obviously the ideal scenario with prop firms is that there will be a profit share, right? Where you will make money, they will make money because you make money. Um, but in reality, what they do is they give you sort of still demo money, but they just pay you out over it. So if you get a funded account, it's actually not real money that you're trading with. You'll still be trading with virtual funds, but they'll just pay you out over your profits. So that means that there's for them not an incentive. Uh, like it's bad for them. Basically, it's bad for them when you win. It's good for them when you lose. So that's a little bit of the downside. It would have been better for us and for them and whatever if it was like where there was a win-win, where if we make money, they make money. And I'm sure there are firms that do that, or they do that like in the longer run, if they know that you've been profitable over a longer period of time. And I do understand it, why they do it. It's like if someone just happens to pass an account and then they lose the account, they lost 1k from or even more. Like I'm based off the 10k accounts. Then yeah, they need to sell quite a lot of accounts to sort of fund that, right? Um, while if they just do it this way, there's a lot less risk for them. So I do understand it. With me, they would be making money, but with the like I don't know, a lot of people that get funded, they obviously lose the account again. Um, so yeah, I'm basically like I'm like a cost for them at the moment. And I need to sort of be aware of that and just play within their sort of rules just to make sure that I don't get like, it's yeah, just to make sure that I'll actually get my payouts, get my accounts, and that they can't really fuck me over, basically. So yeah, that was today's video, I think. I might look for it. It's nice, like again here, that's my areas seem to be pretty good. Like this area was really nice, well drawn up. And also I had another one on another pair where yeah, my areas seem to be working. Like obviously I made this one quite small, but if I would have just made it a little bit bigger, because then I would have included this little bit, then you see it just basically touches it in combination with the 1 hour 50 EMA. Just a very clean, simple trade. And yeah, I'm making money on these sort of trades. The risk reward's pretty nice, 2.7, but it could have been like on my real money accounts, my TP was all the way over here, but I ended up closing because it went so fast on here. So it's a 4.2, and I had my original TP at like a 5x. So these sort of trades are really simple and really profitable. Yeah, if you like this sort of content, and if you want to get better at trading at stuff, I will be doing some free coaching. I just want to, I don't know, experience it, want to see how it is, and potentially help some people with it. And in the longer run, I really want to do like trainings and like, I don't know, the long game for this is to really become sort of an educational center where I'll try to help people with becoming profitable in the Forex space or in trading space in general. So I want to do some sort of test pilot sessions where I'll do them. I do them for free. So let me know if you're interested in that. Join the Discord. Leave a comment, leave a sub, leave a like. It's all very much appreciated. Keeps me motivated to make these sort of videos. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.